A person is found cultivating a prohibited plant. The physical act may be clear, but what if they say they honestly did not know what the plant was? Does the Crown have to prove knowledge from the outset? In R and Strawbridge, the defendant had been convicted of cultivating a prohibited plant. On appeal, she said she had not known the plants were cannabis. The Court of Appeal held that the offence was not absolute. A guilty state of mind still mattered, and a retrial was ordered. Start with the prohibited act. Where the Crown establishes the act and there is no evidence pointing the other way, knowledge may be presumed. The Crown is not required to prove knowledge separately at the beginning. But the presumption is not the end of the inquiry. If there is some evidence that the accused honestly believed their act was innocent, and that belief had reasonable grounds, the issue is live. Both parts matter. The belief must be honestly held, and there must be reasonable grounds for it. Once that evidence is raised, the accused is entitled to be acquitted unless the jury is satisfied beyond reasonable doubt that the claimed innocent belief was not genuine or was not reasonably grounded. The ultimate criminal standard remains with the Crown. Imagine a person tends several plants after being told they are ordinary garden plants. That explanation alone is not automatically accepted. Investigators should gather the surrounding evidence. What was said, what the person observed, what information they received, and whether the claimed belief had a reasonable foundation. The question is evidential, not simply whether the person denies knowledge. There is an important distinction. A person may claim they did not know the substance was a controlled drug at all. That engages guilty knowledge. But knowing it was a controlled drug while being mistaken about exactly which drug it was is a different issue. Do not collapse those two questions. Remember the Strawbridge pathway. First, establish the prohibited act. Second, ask whether there is evidence of an honest belief, based on reasonable grounds, that the act was innocent. If there is, the Crown must disprove that position beyond reasonable doubt. The presumption starts the analysis. It does not finish it.